Hi guys, welcome to our channel Strategy Scope, and today we're gonna unbox our 5 kg dumbbells. So basically it is a pair of 2.5 kg both. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I've bought this from Amazon. I got it for 1000 rupees. This is a rubber dumbbell from RubX, and on the covering you can see there is a RubX logo or branding basically. It has mentioned RubX Sports and Fitness. This is a 5 kg dumbbell, which is a pair of 2.5 kg. It's a rubber dumbbell with chrome handles, chrome plated handles. Let's open and see. Such a huge task to open this. Oh my god. So I ordered this on the 27th and I received it today morning. So today I am shooting this video on the 30th. So it was a pretty quick delivery. So finally we are done removing all the wrappers and everything. So we have the dumbbells here. So I'll keep the box aside and we'll just open this and see. I'll break my leg if it falls on it. So this is basically a beginner dumbbells. So I've never worked out before, so I purchased it for myself. So you can see the logo here, and this is a 2.5 kg pair. So that was all about the dumbbells, and you can see, as you can see here, it's a chrome plated handles. So this product had got amazing reviews from customers, so I thought it would be a good purchase. So on this they have mentioned this is designed for arms and upper body workout, ideal for strength training, high quality rubber coating and ergonomically designed by experts. This is a made in India product, so definitely people should buy made in India products as per the situations that were going on. And the manufacturer is Narendra Rubber Industries. They have provided their email address as well. There is a barcode. You can see there is a barcode also on it, and this is how it is. So that's it. we have opened it. So this is how it looks. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Strategy Scope and support it. Share with other friends who are a beginner and want to buy a dumbbells. I'll put the link of those dumbbells in the description. If you want to buy it, you can buy it from the description link on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day ahead.